What's up guys, today we're going to do an unboxing for Mazda 3 roof racks because I haven't seen on YouTube. There hasn't been like no videos of them, so today I'll bring you guys a video for unboxing of the roof racks and show you how it looks like. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the box for the roof racks for the Mazda 3 from I believe year 2014 till 2019. That's pretty cool. And guess what? I thought it was made by different kind of company, but I guess it's from Yakima. Look at that. So let's open it up, see what's in there. So let's get unboxing, shall we? Pretty dope inside. Whoa, what? Nice. Pretty cool. Let me show you guys. Alright, so this is all the gear that it comes with. I believe that's the rear, and it's the front one. Brackets, I believe. It's pretty nice. And screws, accessories, and I believe it tapes, adhesive tape, something like that. So it's kind of nice. Alright, these are the screws, manual, installation instructions, pretty hefty. Should be nice and simple, so they say. We'll find out. So, anyways, I believe these are 8 adhesives, so it won't scratch the paint. And little screw brackets for bolts. Nice. And little key to tie in the bolts. And it comes with the keys. 2 set of keys. And then we got the brackets. I believe it's gonna be for the hatchback, 5 doors, and the 4-door sedan. So pretty sure it's somewhere in there altogether, but basically you're gonna be needing 4. Alright, let's see the roof racks. You can see that Mazda logo right there. Can't barely see though. Pretty nice. Pretty hefty. And these ones are for the rear end. See that? Winds. And this one should be for the front end. Pretty dope, I say. Waist bar. I like it. So, there you have it. Roof racks. Pretty nice. All the gear, pretty good.